Welcome back once again, Don Crypto from Business Blog, and I'm here to share with you another great review. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you're looking for financial advice, you should hire a professional. I'm only sharing this information for education and entertainment purposes. This is how I make my money online, and these are the platforms I usually participate in whenever I make a review on them. Let's jump into the video right now and look at this amazing concept that I'm about to share with you guys. ProfitPrime investment platform that is made for you. About ProfitPrime, ProfitPrime was created to bring innovation and bring its customers the best and safest way to invest in cryptocurrencies. That is UAE, Australia, and Spain. Let's get to look at what these guys have for you. Main values, the mission: provide real financial freedom through investments in crypto assets using the services and products with satisfaction. And their vision is to be the most accessible cryptocurrency investment platform in the world. Let's look at their values. What are their values? Our company is your company. Satisfaction of our customers with respect, transparency, and results. Let's get to look at advantages of ProfitPrime. You don't have to be stuck on your computer screen every day. Not all day we do everything for you. ProfitPrime promises to do everything for you. All you have to do is to open up an account and make your investment. If you want to join this, I'll be leaving the link in the description for you guys so that you can click on it, make your investment, and start earning with ProfitPrime. We shall be looking at the percentages. What should we expect once we make an investment in ProfitPrime? But before we do that, let's get to look at the liquidity. Choose the investment plan according to the goals and objectives. You can withdraw at any time. What is your goal? What is your objective? How much do you want to make out of this amazing concept? That's what they're talking about. ProfitPrime also assures you that they have risk management. And when it comes to time, they're assuring you of freedom. They're telling you that you can spend your time and do things you need to do. You don't need to be worried of anything. All you have to do is to make an investment with them. Why ProfitPrime is revolutionary? You can open your account for free and start profiting from online investments. Number 2, we have several forms of profitability, providing more security to your investments. And number 3 here, you can make investments through the biggest cryptocurrency on the market today. If you're beginner, intermediary, and professional, this is the platform for you. It covers almost everyone. If you're just new in cryptocurrency, they got you covered. If you're just an intermediary person in crypto, they also got you covered. And for the professionals, you're already a professional in the financial investment market. You want to diversify your portfolio with your semi-automated operations with the help of the best financial analyst in the market. This is the platform you should look at right now. So there are 5 ways to earn from ProfitPrime. Number 1, you can earn daily profit bonus. Number 2, direct referral bonus. Number 3, Unilevel referral bonus. Number 4, binary bonus. And number 5, there is a success plan, which you call a career plan, that you can qualify to win different incentives. So let's get to look at those things that are talking about, starting from the daily profit to direct referral bonus, Unilevel bonuses, binary, and their career plan. Daily profit bonus, expect between 0.5 up to 1.5% daily. You receive this in your digital wallet. The gains are valuable and the yield happens until your investment monetizes 300% of your invested amount. What do they mean? If you invest $1,000, once you make $3,000, that is the end of your contract, and this depends up to you. You can either decide to build a network, share with your friends, and make this 300 faster, renew your account, and keep earning. Remember the rule of the game. This is a new concept. Timing is very important. It's the right time for you to make your decisions so that you can also start profiting out of this concept. What are ProfitPrime packages? They have packages ranging from $10 up to $10,000. All the packages are fetching the same percentage, that is between 0.5 to 1.5%. And that is also very important for you guys to take note of. All packages also must fetch up to 300%. That's when your contract expires. So down here are the points you receive for those people who are interested in building your teams so that you can earn from binary bonuses. We shall also be looking at that. You see that if you open just as someone with $10, you get 1 point. 2.5 points, that's $25. $10,000, it will be 1,000 points. So that is very, very important to take note of for those people interested in earning binary bonuses. Let's look at what we call the direct referral bonus. You expect to earn 10% when someone purchases a package. Let's get to look at 10%. We are talking about if someone buys a package package of $10, you earn 10% of this. Someone buys a package of $25, you earn $25. $10,000, you earn 10% of this. So that is very important. 10% of this will give you $1,000 if someone buys the package of $10,000. So that will be your bonus for referring others to this concept. Now let's get to look at the binary bonus of ProfitPrime. You will be receiving 50% of your smallest team's points production every day in your digital wallet. That is 50% on the smaller leg. For example, we have 1,000 points on the right side and we have 1,010 points on the left side. Now, which one is the smallest? Is this right side, because it has 1,000 and this one has 1,010. So we shall be having 50% of 1,000 points, giving you $500 in your digital wallet. So that is the binary bonus you should be expecting, basing on the points we talked about, depending on the value of the package coming in. 10,000, 1,000 points, 5,500 points, like that. So let's get to look at the Unilevel referral bonuses. It pays 5 levels deep. You can receive Unilevel bonuses from level 1 up to level 5. For example, on level 1 you'll be receiving 5%, and then when someone you refer on level 1 receive 5%. On level 2, in case you referred someone, also introduce someone to this amazing concept, you'll be earning a 4%. Level 3, 3%. Level 4, 2%. And level 5, it will be a 1%. Let's get to look at the roadmap of ProfitPrime. What is their strategic plan for the year of 2022 up to 2024? This was launched in May 2022, and they'll also be putting new expansions in the market, opening up to new countries and implementation of new services. They're bringing different countries on board and new services. And in November 2022, they'll be implementing new services, packages, crypto and automated strategies. And then later on in February 2023, recognition event will be in Dubai in 2023. And then improvements, they'll be launching new BTC mining and improvements at the same time. And then later on in October 2023, they'll be looking at the launch of ProfitPrime Marketplace. The market is changing, and ProfitPrime is doing its best to open up marketing places, enabling the purchase of various digital products, and then implementation of 2.20 in January 2024. New Ethereum 2.0 mining investment plans and packages will be implemented in this back office. So let's get to look at the success plan. What should we expect if you accumulate some points in Business Club? Success plan, for example, the first level, you have the gold level of 30,000 points. For example, if you refer people on your small league, you have 30,000 points. The company is going to reward you with $300. To become a ruby, you need 50,000 points on the weaker leg, and the company is going to pay you $500. To become emerald, it is 100,000 points, $1,000. Sapphire, 200,000 points on the weaker leg, and you earn $2,000 in your digital wallet. To become a diamond, you need 500,000 points on the weaker leg, and you'll be earning a $5,000 in your digital wallet. Then ambassador, 1 million points, $10,000. President, 1.5 million points and $15,000. And emperor, you'll be needing 3 million points on the weaker leg to earn $30,000 paid to you. So that is very, very important. So you can look at these illustrations on what you should really expect if you become one of those guys who have qualified for those ranks on their success plan. So briefly, this is what I have to tell you about ProfitPrime. If you're interested in jumping to this, here there are some frequently asked questions and answers provided by ProfitPrime in this PDF. If you're interested in this, you can chat me in my Telegram. I can send you all the information, the PDF and every necessary marketing material. Also add you to the WhatsApp group where these guys are posting marketing materials so that you can also look at it. They're also having their Instagram page for marketing. I'll be leaving the link in the description for you. ProfitPrime.com is the website. You can look at it here for those people who would like to access it. I'll also be leaving the link for this in the description. Thank you very much for your time. Remember to do your own research before you invest money in any platform. Have a lovely day. Love you all. Peace.